Let's check the issue first. As you can see, the expand option is grayed out. Let's fix this issue. Right-click on your installed VM and go to the Snapshots option. Now click on the Snapshot Manager button. Here you will see all snapshots that you created before. Now right-click the screenshots and choose to delete snapshots and children. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click on Yes button to delete the snapshots. Let's check the expand option. As you can see, now you can expand. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.